OneCJet is an open-source business automation system built on the OneC Enterprise platform. It is designed to help microbusinesses automate their daily operations in a simple, affordable, and flexible way. Microbusinesses usually have up to 5 employees. Often the owner does everything: selling, buying, talking to customers, tracking stock, and managing money. Because of this, most microbusinesses rely on notebooks, spreadsheets, or messaging apps to keep records. This creates many problems. They don't know which products or customers are most profitable. They don't know how much money they will have next month. They run out of stock or lose track of inventory. They waste time creating documents manually. They struggle with legal requirements like invoices and reporting. Traditional ERP systems are too expensive, too complex, and do not match how microbusinesses really work. Custom software is even more expensive and difficult to build. OneCJet is a free and open-source solution designed especially for these small businesses. It runs on the OneC Enterprise platform and gives microbusinesses the tools they need without the cost and complexity of traditional ERP systems. Because it's open source, you can view, modify, and extend functionality. There are no license restrictions, and it can be used for real commercial projects. OneCJet comes with ready-to-use business modules: sales, invoices, price list, and sales tracking; purchases, supply records and purchase documents; warehouse, stock receipts, transfers, write-offs, and inventory control; financial transactions, cash and bank payments; accounts payable and receivable, who owes money and who must be paid; costing and profit analysis, how much each sale really earns; e-invoice, government-compliant electronic invoicing. Imagine a small neighborhood fabric shop. The owner sells fabric by the meter and buttons and thread. Orders come from walk-in customers and through social networks. Stock is checked manually and receipts are written on paper. This seems like a lot of work and very inefficient. With OneCJet, this shop can track every roll of fabric in stock, record every sale and purchase, know which products made the most profit, automatically send daily stock reports, add custom fields like color, material, or roll length, apply special pricing or discounts automatically. This shows how OneCJet fits real-life microbusinesses' workflows. OneCJet was built to be easy to understand. The source code is clean, simple, and full of comments. Each module is independent and small, so you can study and modify it step by step. With OneCJet, you will learn how to change existing business logic, add new features, customize forms and reports, integrate external services like banks or online stores. These skills will apply not only to small shops, but also to larger ERP systems built on the OneC Enterprise platform. OneCJet is your starting point for becoming a real business automation developer.